In this lecture, we will start building our About Us page and we'll talk about the default Gutenberg blocks. So in our About Us page, we only have the page title at this moment, along with the header and the footer that will appear on every screen, right? And our demo site, the About Us page, we have really nice About Us page with the coach image on the left and the text on the right, and the order kind of changed later on. I took inspiration from this website when I did my research about gym websites. I follow other gym websites and I really like this design and I decided to try and mimic it. And as you can see, the result is pretty similar, and of course we can always make it better, but I just wanted to show you that you can mimic and create any design. Excellent. So let's close this website and go back to our About Us page. Click on Edit Page at the top. We will edit this page with Elementor. However, I want to show you how to use the default Gutenberg blocks. Now, most of the time you probably won't use them, but I do want you to have a general clue how to use them. They are very useful for blog posts, but not really for pages, and I will show you why now. So let's start with the most basic block, which is the paragraph block. Automatically, it starts with a paragraph, as you can see here, and whenever you type something, let's say, hey, I'm a paragraph, automatically whatever you type becoming a paragraph. Okay, and after you type something, you can see the paragraph menu appears on top of it, so you can actually make the word bold or even link the word to any other page, etc. So this is the paragraph block, as you can see here. Of course, we have the option to add other blocks and different kind of blocks. To see the full list of blocks, just like Elementor widgets, we will need to click on this plus icon here at the top left corner. By clicking on it, you will be able to see all the Gutenberg blocks that came pre-installed with WordPress. You can expand any of the tabs to see more blocks. So for example, if we want to add a cover image, just add the cover block. Choose the image that you would like to create as a cover. You can also type the text inside this block. I'm the coach. And that's how nice and slowly you can come up with the results that you want. When you're done, just click update, visit your page, and see what you came up with. So as you can see, in order to really get the sense of what it looks like, we need to save the changes, revisit the page, see if we like it, and move forward from there. Unlike Elementor, that everything happens in front of us, which make it easier. Okay, so if we would like to hide the title and expand the content to take full width, we already know what to do. We'll go back to the document tab, and here under page template, we'll change it to Elementor full width, update the changes, revisit the page, refresh it, and we can see that the title is not there and the content take full width of the page, which is excellent. And now we can keep moving forward and add more blocks. So we can click on this plus icon here underneath the previous block, and of course choose a different block, let's say this quote. And here you can type in your quote, whatever you want. Again, click update, revisit the page, and see what you came up with. And as we can see, the quote is styled differently than the paragraph. So there are some CSS rules that apply to the different kind of blocks, and that's how we're creating a different design, which is nice. WordPress made a great progress in the last few years. I am a WordPress developer for the last 10 years, and I started when it was no blocks, no Elementor whatsoever. It was just pure HTML. So definitely they making a great progress. That was just the tip of the iceberg regarding Gutenberg blocks. We will talk about it later on more when we'll create our blog post, because it's going to be more relevant to the blog post. But I just wanted to show you that there is an alternative to Elementor, and you can just use the default editor. Not recommended for pages, but possible if you want. Now I'm just going to delete all the blocks. Click on update, and because we like Elementor more, we will click on edit with Elementor in order to open the Elementor edit screen and create the page with Elementor.